I just want to hop into this video really quick. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Janisha. So it is currently 7:42 p.m. and I picked up my package. I ordered something from Nordstrom and I picked up my package. Been waiting on this package. So I ordered something from Nordstrom, like I said, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So here is the box. So FedEx was saying that they've been trying to get in the gate for the last 2 days, and I couldn't take it anymore. So I called customer service and I'm just like, hey, can you arrange it so I'm able to pick up my package? And they was like, yeah, sure, no problem. So yeah, because I don't have time, because today was going to be like the last day that they attempt to deliver it. So I was not about to have my bag sent back. I just said what it was. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All this tissue, y'all. Y'all, okay, this bag is actually so it comes with, you know, your Nordstrom if you want to return it by mail, stuff like that, and then it comes with my receipt. So it just says the bag price and everything like that, and yeah, let's get it to her. This is how the bag looks. This is the Marc Jacobs Status collection. From their Status collection, Marc Jacobs Status shoulder bag. I'm sorry, I lost the train of thought. And honey, look how gorgeous she is. She comes in this it's not like your typical gold. It is like a rusted, like a darker gold, not your typical rose gold. And the bag has the Marc Jacobs here. Hope you guys can see that. Oh, this gold is so rich, and this bag is actually bigger in person. So I had this on my wish list for a while, but every time it would pop up, it would be literally sold out. So let me tell you guys, I'll leave like some little information on the screen, but I want to share with you guys a little information about the bag from the actual website, Marc Jacobs. So this bag does retail for $595. But honey child, y'all know I'm always here for a deal. Okay, so the bag was on sale at Marc Jacobs for $357, but it was like constantly always sold out. But let me tell y'all in a minute. Okay, so let me tell you guys a little more about the bag. Okay, so it's the double J hardware. You guys can see it's the double J here, and then it has double zip around closures, exterior pockets on front and back, and it's the double chain strap, which I love because I'm able to hold it, carry it on my shoulder. So I told you guys a little information about the bag, but let me tell you about this price, honey. So like I said, it was $357 on marcjacobs.com. Honey child, when I say I have been searching for the bag like every day, and I knew I didn't want to pay regular retail for the bag. I just was like, I was thinking about paying it, but I was like, no, it's gonna go on sale or it's gonna come back in stock. So I'm just checking the websites, different websites, Neiman's, Saks, and everything like that. Honey child, let me tell you, Saks had this bag on sale for $297.50. $297.50, y'all. When I say I drove to Nordstrom I had them order the bag in person so they can price match it to Saks Fifth. And the lady was like, yeah, of course, let's just call the store because it's literally only one left. Let's call the store. And I believe it was in Texas. And she was like, yeah, we have one more left. And then I was like, homegirl, order that back for me. And she ordered it and everything. She was like, you for sure should get it because that was the one we just ordered for you. So that's the pointer. If you don't know, Nordstrom does price match to Saks, Neiman, Bloomingdale's, and other retails that are main retails like Marc Jacobs, Saint Laurent, everything like that. So just keep that in mind. And even though this one was sold out on Saks, you know, me being me, I persuade people to just, they don't even know that it's sold out. I just show them what it is, okay? So that's just a little tip from me to you. So I'm gonna show you guys the bag because, honey, this bag will be around $600. So I'm gonna show you a receipt. Everything honestly ended up being $325 in total. I'm sorry, you guys. $325. I'm just so happy because my friends know I've been wanting this bag. So this is the bag. It has a front pocket here. And it's so spacious. Okay, so you have all this history. It's gonna be a huge pocket in the front, huge pocket in the back, and it also has the status Marc Jacobs, which is the name of the bag, and you have the little card slot if you don't have a card holder. I'm sorry. I do have one. I have a little mini Coach one, so I should be fine. And then you also have just the one pocket in the back. So, and then if I didn't say, it has another pocket in the back. So this bag is so spacious and it's just gorgeous. And I needed a black designer bag, I guess. I don't know if they consider Marc Jacobs designer, but honey, his bags can get up there in prices. So I will call this a designer because just look at it. Just look at the gold. Look at the gold. Look at the hardware, and it's that quilted bag. And I'm just ready to wear this because it's black, which is gonna go with a lot of things, and it has gold hardware. Y'all know how I feel about some gold hardware. So I'm excited. I'm glad I grabbed this bag for this price. And if you like this bag, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, more unboxings, let me know down in the comment section. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick. It's late, obviously I have on my robe, but anyway, I'm glad that you tuned in, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.